Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a dresser and a nightstand that we're going to redo in black. So follow along, subscribe, and see how this piece turns out at the end. Alright, step one is going to be to remove all the hardware. So we've already got one out. We're just going to work our way up, pull the drawers out, and then we'll be in a position to start sanding this all down. So let's get this hardware off. Alright, now we are on to the sanding stage. We're going to put on Dixie Belle Caviar paint, but a lot of these pieces have a little bit of scrapes, scuffs up on them. I want to sand those out so I have a smooth surface to paint on. With Dixie Belle paint you don't have to sand, but it's one of the things that we do. So you don't have to, but we're going to sand. Joys. Alright, let's begin. Sanded down, wiped down, now we're ready to paint. The favorite part here. Dixie Belle Caviar. Got it brand new here. We're also going to use their Dixie Belle Bella brush and the chip brush. So we do the whole piece, nightstand, and all the drawers. We should only need one coat, maybe some touch up where I miss, but it should be a quick process. So follow along. Alright, look how nice that flat black really came out. We're going to cover it with a clear coat, flat also, by Dixie Belle. So, got it out in the heat, let's get it on. Alright guys, here it is completed. Caviar Black by Dixie Belle. We clear coated it flat with Dixie Belle paint. I think it came out pretty nice. I can't wait to see this in somebody's house. So if you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel. Like us on Facebook and Instagram, and maybe next time I'll get my wife out here to help me. It's getting a little warm.